Dot. We live in an interesting time when technologies are developing at an incredible speed, and every day there are new and more advanced machines. The agricultural sector is no exception, and a huge amount of money and effort goes into it. This is because agriculture is a profitable business, and process automation can increase this profit significantly. Meet Dot, an autonomous platform which is the future of agriculture. It consists of several components. The main element is the frame responsible for moving. It is U-shaped, as you can see. It moves out of the hangar where the platform is stored, and then is connected to the working equipment. It, in turn, can be used for various purposes, for example as a fertilizer spreader or sprayer. Right now you're seeing a seeder. Before starting to work, the operator sets the boundaries of the field on the map and marks all the possible obstacles, like trees or poles. Next, Dot creates the most optimal route so as to not pass twice by the same place. The robot uses GPS for this purpose and to stay within the boundaries. The robot is also autonomous, but it can also be controlled remotely. Either way, this system is much more efficient than traditional equipment. It saves fuel and manpower while increasing productivity and reducing accidents. In addition, the system is able to work 24/7. John Deere. Not only car manufacturers are trying to switch from traditional fuel to electricity. Just a few years ago, the American company John Deere, for example, showed the world its new unmanned electric tractor. It's several times smaller than other tractors, but it has increased maneuverability and can carry equipment weighing from 5 to 15 tons. At the same time, it doesn't generate any harmful emissions and can be equipped with both standard wheels and tracks. And of course, the tractor operates without a driver. The company plans to put this equipment into full production in the coming decade. Kubota X Tractor. And here we have a product from 2020. The X Tractor is a concept vehicle from the Japanese company Kubota. In the future, it could make the life of farmers better and simpler. Interestingly, Kubota unveiled the tractor to commemorate the 130th anniversary of its founding. The vehicle has some very interesting features, both on the outside and on the inside. For example, the X Tractor is fully electric and works autonomously, so there's no need for an operator. As you can see, it doesn't even have a steering wheel either. The developers wanted to create a working system consisting of a large number of machines controlled by one computer. So, each tractor collects data about the surroundings and the work done and sends it to the computer. In turn, the mastermind corrects the work of other machines to achieve maximum harmony and efficiency. The only thing left to do is to delegate tasks in time and enjoy the result, literally and figuratively. Another notable feature of the X Tractor is its adjustable clearance. It can lower its center of gravity and therefore create high traction. But it can be raised if you don't want to damage the crop. All 4 tracks work independently for maneuverability, and the tractor is able to turn around even on the spot. Fendt Xaver. Low soil pressure, low energy consumption, noiselessness, no harmful leaks, and no emissions are all environmental features that are receiving more and more attention today. So, it's no surprise that all of these are featured in the machine that you're seeing right now on your screen. Xaver is a whole series of sowing robots developed by the German company Fendt. According to the manufacturer, Xaver is designed to rid people of the painstaking manual and monotonous work. This in turn will lead to more environmentally friendly food production. How exactly do Xaver robots work though? They are simple and pretty complex at the same time. The V-set technology isolates seeds by creating negative air pressure. The seeds are then planted. The electrically driven control system allows the seedlings to be placed accurately at the distance set by the operator. Now, pay attention to the third wheel at the rear. It rolls the ground over the newly planted seeds, improves contact with the soil, and increases the water flow needed for germination. Several machines can be assembled into a smart system. The machines all work together, exchanging data with each other. In the future, engineers plan to provide the robot with additional sensors. They'll determine soil humidity, temperature, the presence of humus, and plant debris. The information obtained will then allow the robot to adjust parameters such as depth and sowing frequency on the go for even better results. Yanmar PW10. Don't let the small size of this machine fool you, because this fully automated vegetable transplanter can be very useful. With the Yanmar PW10, you will no longer need to work in an uncomfortable position, manually planting seedlings. It comes with 5 trays. The device picks the plants on its own and plants them in the ground in 1 or 2 rows. The speed of work is half a meter per second. The most suitable crops are cabbages, including Chinese cabbages, broccoli, and lettuce. Its compact size allows the Yanmar PW10 not to damage the beds or the soil. Avo. The next machine we want to show you has one single purpose. However, it's not a prototype or anything like that. In fact, the Swiss company Eco Robotics is already preparing this robot for launch. Avo is a machine to fight weeds. It distinguishes them from valuable crops, spots them, and irrigates them with herbicides. In addition, it moves around the field independently and processes up to 10 hectares per shift. The solar batteries allow it to work for up to 12 hours. And the most important advantage is that Avo uses herbicides 95% more efficiently than other spraying equipment. Thorvald. Here is another compact robot. It's the result of a collaboration between specialists from Saga Robotics, the University of Lincoln, and the Norwegian Life Science University. Thorvald was designed to maintain the beds of strawberries and some other crops. At night, in order not to damage the plants, it independently treats them with ultraviolet light. This procedure allows fighting powdery mildew, one of the main diseases among fruit plants. It reduces the chance of getting this disease by 80 to 95%. In addition, tests and trials are being carried out right now to teach Thorvald to distinguish ripe berries from unripe ones and to harvest them independently. Agrobot BugVac. The last machine on our list was developed by the Spanish company Agrobot. It is a robotic vacuum cleaner, but it sucks in pests instead of dust. To be more precise, BugVac is designed to remove plant bugs. It's one of the main pests on strawberry fields in California. Fighting this subspecies of bugs is extremely difficult because of its resistance to insecticides. So, this autonomous vacuum cleaner is the most effective and fastest method.